Let's make some Korean chicken wings. Alright, to get started off here, we've got about 2 pounds of chicken wings. And we're going to go through each of these wings. We're going to get rid of the excess feathers. And then we're also going to dry each of them off. We'll make sure that our chicken is nice and dry. Alright, we've got our chicken all nice and dry. Now we've already made our rub here. In this bowl, we have mixed 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/2 a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 a teaspoon of black pepper. We'll just kind of mix that, and we're going to take that and we're going to coat all of our wings really well. Alright, we've got that nice and covered. Over here we've got a sheet pan that we have lined in aluminum foil. Just going to stick our wings on there. We have preheated our oven to 400 degrees. And now we're going to put these in the oven and we're going to bake them for 35 to 45 minutes. We just want to make sure we have a nice crispy crust on the outside of our wings. Now we're going to start our Korean barbecue sauce. In our pan over here, we're going to start off with 1/2 a cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1/4 a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to do 1/4 of a cup of honey. Now if you like these videos, please take a moment to like, subscribe, share, comment. We'd really appreciate it. It helps our channel grow. We're now going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, one tablespoon of sesame seed oil, one and a half tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons of, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, I'm just going to show it to you. That's gochujang. Anyway, you can find it at your Asian food store, and you can also find it at the grocery stores. Any brand you want, but we're going to add 3 tablespoons of this. And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And we're just going to mix that together over a medium heat until it becomes nice and thick. Alright, our sauce is looking pretty good. See, it's become pretty thick on that. We're going to set this off to the side. Now you want to start this sauce about 10 minutes before your chicken is finished baking. Alright, our chicken is done baking. Once the chicken is done baking, we're going to take our sauce. You can do this however you want. We're just going to do it. We don't like a lot of extra dishes sometimes, so we're just going to take our chicken wings, throw it into our sauce. Go nice and hot. And then we're going to top them. And you don't have to do this part, but we just like to. We're going to take a few toasted sesame seeds and place on top. And just a few slivers of green onion. Anyway, we hope you like this recipe. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching.